Canadian, motherfucker bombastic, Vancouver Island. I got the real shine in, motherfucker, I'm rare like a fine blood diamond. How much money I make is up to me, motherfucker, never make a mistake when you're at the poker table with me. I'll take your property, title, and all, and motherfucker, you don't know about the Kevlar ball. I started it all, yes you are 360 degrees, motherfucker, don't try to make peace with me. You sucker ass, motherfucker, wannabes, it ain't me talking shit. I can back it up by myself when I find you by yourself, motherfucker, cut you up, cut your face off, cause I'm psycho, motherfucker, put your hand in the freezer like I'm Jeffrey Dahmer. And then I got somebody to talk to when nobody's around me, motherfucker, this is Eazy-B, Brother fellas, straight from the streets, motherfucker, mafia beats. If you think you're better than me on Vancouver Island, I'll make you disappear, motherfucker, you ain't 33 degrees. We're so powerful, motherfucker, unification, motherfucker, from the Luciferian penetration. Fuck your satanic, motherfucking nation. I'll destroy you with one verb, motherfucker, metaphor, motherfucker, I'd employ you, but you're a loser. You ain't shit to me, motherfucker, but a fucking loser. I showed that, motherfucker, proved it. I could give a fuck, motherfucker, if you drive a Cadillac. Any Monte Carlo, 1979 flat stack, motherfucker, black, all black, blacked out, motherfucker, with the guns in the trunk, out now. Bunch of rats nowadays, if I showed up like that, motherfucker, everybody gets sprayed. In the last days, motherfucker, pirate 999, we gonna get your brain slayed, motherfucker, if you come up against me and I got a knife and you got a gun, you're gonna pay. Fuck you, pay me, motherfucker. This is my army now, motherfucker, got my own gang, I got my own slang, I got my own ring, motherfucker, call me Krang. Yeah, like Sauron, motherfucker, and you know I'm stand-up-on. You can't pronounce that because you're a fucking moron. Pirate 999, yeah. Bitches, I make you feel better. Show me your little panties if you got a flat belly, bitch ass. Yeah, fucker.